Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Kohree soldering iron set. 60-watt power. It is a professional soldering station. From 200 up to 480 degrees Celsius power with 5 solder replacement taps. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. You have a solder roller, a holder, a brass cleaner, and a sponge. High quality thermal ceramic heating element. 60-watt soldering iron with internal thermal ceramic heating element has high efficiency and long service life and better than external heating. Generally speaks 300 degrees Celsius within 15 seconds. This is fast, I think. So you can start soldering extremely quick. For heat dissipation holds ensure fast heat dissipation. The temperature of the professional soldering station set can be adjusted between 200 degrees Celsius and 480 degrees Celsius. These are 392 Fahrenheit up to 896 Fahrenheit. With temperature control knob and very stable during work. It is a practical accessory such as full replacement tips, extra 5 soldering tips for long service life and consistent performance. The Kohree soldering station also provides built-in safety tripod to keep your soldering iron safe. Sponge and wire ball with cleaning flux to remove unwanted solder residue. The Kohree 60-watt soldering station set with soldering iron is an excellent aid for DIYers like me. Adjustable soldering station suitable for hobby, electronics, school, workshop, and laboratory. It can be used to PCB, small electronic products, soldering jewelry, guitars, watches, wirings, PCs, car electronic system, etc. The sturdy base and steel frame for stable and secure placement of that soldering iron. The heat resistant and high quality silicon handle ensure that the soldering iron remains in operation even at high temperature. If you like it, I choose it because I need a new soldering iron. And in the past, I only have one soldering iron with no stand, and it was not so good. It was a cheap thing, and I was burning my hands so often. So I looked through the offer of my favorite shopping area, and I found that. A soldering iron set for a good price and nice and easy DIY use. I like it really much. It is easy to use. You have five spikes for it. You have 900 MTK, 900 MTB, 900 T3C, 900 MT2.4D, and 900 MT1. And you have soldering. You have this liquid for soldering in the box. You have antioxidant. It is the boiling point is 215 degrees Celsius. That means you can use all of that with this soldering iron set, and it is easy and good to use. It is a hand tool used in soldering. It supplies heat to melt solder so that it can flow into a joint between two workpieces. A soldering iron is composed of a heated metal tip and an insulated handle. Heating is often achieved electrically. by passing an electric current, supplying through an electric cord or battery cable, through a resistive heating element. Cordless irons can be heated by combustion of gas stored in a small tank, but this is electronic powered, often using a catalytic heater rather than a flame. Simply irons, less commonly used today than in the past, were simply a large copper bit on a handle, heated in flame. Soldering irons are most often used for installation, repairs, and limited production works in electronic assembly. High volume product lines use other soldering methods. Large irons may be used for soldering joints in sheet metal objects. Less common use included pyrography, burning designed into wood, and plastic welding. You can use this or soldering iron for burning wood, of course. You can use it for a computer board, and you can change the tips easily. Here, all what you get is now in the scene, and now let's replace one of the tips. You can see you have different shapes in it for flat surfaces, for tiny spots, like a motherboard, for example. Only rotate the security thing on the front side, and then you can replace it easily. It is really easy to replace. Let's do this now. Here we are. We get one of the front blades of the soldering iron, and let's perform this now. So slide it in position, and then the only one to do is support it by that nut on the top side. Now your soldering iron station is ready for use, and let's have a soldering action now. Here we are. Let's do this. Everything is ready for use. Now we can start a little lesson, but it is a small little lesson. You can do so much more with this set on top of it. You have everything there what you need. You can clean it on the station. You can roll up the metal, the fluid metal, and everything is there. It is easy to use, easy to set up, and it is a good product, I think so. So let's start with the short lesson. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. But first we have to wet the sponge. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon. And now let's solve a little bit. Let's go.